target date investment can help simplify the decisions you have to make when you pick funds for your retirement portfolio. That's because each target date investment is already a complete portfolio of low-cost mutual funds, so you only need to pick one. Ready? Well, hang on, because there are a lot of different target date investments, so you're going to have to pick the one that works best for you. Not a problem. Let's break this down. Almost every target date investment has a year in its name. That year corresponds to the year that someone like you would expect to kick back and retire. If you expect that to happen in 2030, you could consider the target date 2030 investment. Retiring in 2035? Consider the target date 2035 investment. Of course, your retirement might be a long way off, so if you're not sure when you'll retire, simply add 65 to the year you were born. Then consider the target date investment that's closest to the result. Once you've settled on a year, take a look at the mix of stocks and bonds in the investment you've chosen and consider whether it syncs up with your own goals and preferences. If you think the mix is too risky or too conservative for you, consider a different target date investment or add other funds to complement your target date investment. Adding other funds isn't wrong. Some people do it to further diversify their portfolios. But ultimately, the choice is yours. So pick a year, check the mix, and there you go, instant diversified portfolio. For more information about any Vanguard fund, including investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses, call Vanguard at 855-402-2646 or visit Vanguard.com to obtain a prospectus, or, if available, a summary prospectus. The prospectus contains this and other important information about the fund. Read and consider the prospectus information carefully before you invest. For information on all other funds, contact the investment providers directly.